Hi everybody, we're going to talk about duplicated notes on string instruments and overlapping notes. First of all, I taught you first finger determines what position you're in. So first finger on the first note is first position, and we learned it first. First finger on the second note, whether it's low second or high second, is second position depending on the key signature. First finger on the third note is third position. First finger on the fourth note, fourth position, and so on. So what I want to point out to you today is, in first position, let's say we're using pattern 1, and we can reach 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then if I move to third position, I'm going to this third line, and these two notes, 3 and 4, are now playable by fingers numbers 1 and 2. And I call those overlapping notes. These notes are possible in both positions, 3 and 4 here, and 1 and 2 here. And so that requires us to rewire our brain in terms of which finger is responsible for which notes. And that happens all over the instrument. The other thing that happens, which you're already familiar with, is you have duplicated notes. And when we talk about a duplicated note, what I mean is, like for instance, if you have a photocopy and I put your name on it and then I photocopy it, the whole group is going to have your name on that photocopy because it's duplicated exactly. Well, on our instruments, you already know, if you play violin or viola, that fourth finger matches the next string up. And that's a duplication of the exact same note. It looks exactly the same on the staff. And if you were playing that note on the piano, it would be the exact same key. The great thing about the string instruments is that we can duplicate a note and make it sound a little different depending on what string you play it on and what finger you use on it. So in the case of third position, let's say, if you are playing a G1 and an A2 on a violin or viola, that duplicated note, then you get a B after that and a C after that. So we have A, B, and C, which are duplicated exactly A, B, and C in first position on another string. This happens all over the instrument, and we're going to explore that right now in person.